you're hearing a lot lately about, the 4-day work week and, um, how people are realizing they can fit more in a smaller amount of time. Uh, is this causing that? Or to do that, do you need more of a guide wheel to put onto a person?
Ah, we definitely don't measure people.
No,
So
I know you just
yeah,
said that. So what I'm asking is the is by doing the metrics on the machine, is that enabling people to shorten their work weeks?
we haven't seen shorter work weeks that I know of. Normally, the customers we work with are actually looking to produce more with the
Sure,
time
sure.
that they have. So, in a given work week, we've actually seen people find more capacity in the machines and be able to sell into that open capacity, which is more of a driving top line revenue rather than necessarily trying to shorten or cut work. I think talent is such a shortage right now that I have not yet heard the request to shorten.
Well,
And I
though
think,
the talent might request that
ah,
they want the 4-day work week, and then they might come, and this could enable people to accomplish that. I don't know, that was what I was thinking.
yeah, one thing I have heard, which is kind of from users within the system. So whether it's plant manager or supervisor or maintenance teammates, one thing I've heard a lot of is how amazing it is for them to not have to be in the plant all the time.
Ah,
For
okay.
example, to know that they'll get alerted if a critical machine is down, rather than feeling like they have to be there just to be listening and watching. And so that ability to accomplish the same results, intervening right away if there's a problem to make sure you deliver on time for a customer, but not have to physically be in the plant to be
Right.
able to
And
do
now
it.
they're doing more interesting things, growing
Yeah,
the company, you know,
yeah.
that
Or being
makes
at home with their family or at a soccer game with their kids.
right,
Um,
rather than just being a helicopter
yeah.
and watching it.
Yep.
So then perhaps it is having that result.
Yeah. I've heard the examples of people being able to gain time back for the things that matter to them, whether it's kids or family or just even, being able to,
Yeah.
to rest or be outside of that environment. But I haven't heard yet examples of people changing their work schedules too dramatically.
Interesting. Okay. Because I've interviewed a few people that have told me, um, by fixing their processes and changing their policies, they've been able to give people flexibility and even less hours, um, because people in a shop want that. I mean,
Yeah.
a lot of most people don't want to work 60 hours a week.
Yeah.
Um, so I would think that maybe it is having that effect, and you just haven't talked to people about it. Um,
Certainly might be. I think there's so much our customers do with the platform that they find ways to make it useful and solve that pain.
yeah.